In today's video, we're going to take a look at how to record the bass guitar. The way I do it, I like to go straight into my audio interface. At the moment, as I'm recording this video, I don't own a bass amp. And if I did own one, I would still go straight into my audio interface because this is a bedroom that I made into a mini studio, and it's not exactly the best place to record amps. So when it comes to the bass, I just like to go straight into the DI of my audio interface. Now, for my audio interface, I'm using the Apollo Twin. And the neat thing about the Apollo Twin is that it lets you pick different preamps. So I'm using a Neve 1073 preamp, and I'm only using it to get my level and gain and a little bit of color. I'm not using the EQ at all, so I'm not boosting or cutting anything. Now after the Neve, I like to go into a compressor, specifically the LA2A. And I'm only letting it hit about a dB, because in case if I hit the strings too hard, because I'm playing with a pick. Now, if you don't know how to dial in compression yet, or you're just too confused about that at the moment, don't use it. And let someone else adjust it during the mixing stage, or you can do it during the mixing stage. Just use the preamp, put up a nice level there, as long as you're not clipping into the red, and then you should be ready to record into your DAW. Now, if you don't have the Apollo audio interface and the software that comes with it, don't worry, it's not that big of a deal. We're just trying to get as clean of a signal as we can for now and not clip. Now, depending on the audio interface model that you have, you might have little light indicators that tell you if you're going in the red or if you're just going, or if it's just too low. Check on your unit, see what features it has, what inputs it has, and if it doesn't have any light indicators, don't worry, because we can check on those when we go into our DAW. So the DAW that I'm using is Pro Tools. Within Pro Tools, I make a mono audio track. And in that mono audio track, I set the input to be my audio interface unit. In this case, the Apollo Twin. Now, I make sure that I'm getting signal also in this mono audio track. And if I am, then I know that the connections are going to the correct place. So I like to just go straight into the audio interface, get a clean signal, and then add any distortion or amp synths in the DAW. Now, it's a bit easier for me when I play guitar because I have the aux box, and that gives me like a virtual room and the microphones, and it all sounds really good. But with the bass, unfortunately, I don't have that, or there isn't anything that I know of, so I just plug in straight into the audio interface and I go into a DAW. So once I get a good level with the mono track here on Pro Tools, I'm ready to record, whether that is a rough idea or whether it is an actual song. In this case, I'm just gonna record a little rough idea here. Not really a song, I don't know what it is yet. But I just wanna show you how it would look like once it's being recorded on your DAW. So here we go. That was just like a, I don't know, a riff or something. I really don't know what to do with that yet. But you can see now the little audio clip and how the levels look like. They're not all clipping or anything. And let's say that was whatever idea I wanted or song, and it's ready to be mixed. Then I would go next into the mixing stage. And then from there, I would probably add a little bit of distortion, some more compression, and do some EQ and all the fun stuff, as they say. So hopefully this helped. This is what works for me again. I don't have a bass amp. I have a pretty small room here, which even if I did, like I said, it wouldn't sound good. So I like to go straight into my audio interface, use a Neve 1073, add a little bit of LA2A. Again, if you're not comfortable with compression, don't use compression. And then I just record into my DAW of choice, in this case being Pro Tools. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments down below. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Take care.